Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Trust digital thermometer with a flexible tip. It's also called flexible tip 604. I guess that's the product number. Let's see what other information we have. It's a transparent cover, so you can see what the thermometer actually looks like. That's not bad at all. And this also functions as a cover for the thermometer. I'll get to that in a minute. So yeah, it comes with a flexible tip, has waterproof, a beeping signal when ready. Can be used for body temperature charting, which means it has memory function for last reading. There you go. It also comes with medical grade accuracy. What other information we have? Non-poisonous, obviously, because it does not contain mercury, unlike the older thermometers. High accuracy, fast response. Also, this has been developed by Nureka Incorporated in the United States, which is a well-known biopharma corporation. Okay, now coming to the unboxing. Let's unbox it. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Yeah, not much to be very fair, but pretty simple. We have a owner's manual. Read carefully before use. Obviously, this is a medical device. You should read it before before it's used. There's a product illustrations over here as well, so I'm going to put this over here. What else do we have? The thermometer itself. That's a good thing that it comes with a cover, and that's it. The box is also the cover of the thermometer, which is very neat. You'll be able to store it very safely with this cover. You will not be damaging the tip, which tends to be very sensitive. Let's open it up. And that's it. That's what the thermometer looks like. It has a Dr. Trust logo on it over here. This is the flexible tip. It's actually quite flexible, if you can see. Let's see if this works. I will press this. It shows some reading, and it's giving me 98.7, 98.6, which is pretty standard for body temperature. Now it's going down because, well, obviously I'm not. Sorry, 98 means I'm sick. I'll do this again. 98.6, 92.7, 92.9. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you use this particular device as well. And that's it. That's all you will find inside this particular box. Thank you for watching.